Xin chào các bạn, mình là Brooklyn Day. Welcome to Brooklyn Chuyện, and you're listening to Encouragement Radio with Brooklyn, a podcast made for Vietnamese listeners. This is a quiet space where we slow down, reflect, and grow together one day at a time. Each episode is a short message in slow English made for you to listen to before bed or in the early morning. Whether you're resting, getting ready for your day, or just looking for a little peace, I'm glad you're here. So, let's take a deep breath together and begin. Breathe in and breathe out. Life is full of uncertainty. We don't always know what's going to happen tomorrow. Sometimes we don't even know what's going to happen later today. And I know that can feel a little scary. It can make us feel anxious or uncomfortable. Maybe you're waiting for a job offer or trying to decide if you should move to a new city or if you should leave the city. Maybe you're not sure if you're on the right path in life. I want you to know that's okay. You are not alone. Even when life feels uncertain, you are still growing. You are still learning. You are still becoming who you are meant to be. We often think that we need to have everything figured out, that we must have a clear plan and know exactly where we're going. But the truth is, no one really has everything figured out. Some of the most beautiful things in life come when we're not expecting them. When we let go of trying to control everything, we open ourselves up to surprise, to change, to a new kind of peace. So if you're feeling uncertain right now, it doesn't mean you're failing. It doesn't mean you're lost. It just means you're human. Try to be kind to yourself today. You are doing your best, and that's more than enough. Take another deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Let yourself rest in the unknown for now. It's okay to not know everything. The answers will come one step at a time. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. I'm proud of you. Take care. Okay, thank you guys for listening. That's all for today. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next recording.